Recently, we have received a lot of private messages from friends asking us how to do the relief and what is the relief effect. We are going to talk about reliefs today. Our reliefs are divided into two types. One is the overall relief, and the second is the partial relief. Today, let's talk about how the overall relief is done and how it is printed. Our overall relief is more suitable for pictures like ours. This flower, this shoe, this bird, this butterfly. This is an object that we need to print. It is a whole. Such a picture is more suitable for the overall relief. This butterfly is dragged into the PS first. Now we're dragging it into the PS, and we're going to select the butterfly we want to print. Inside our layer is this butterfly, which is a layer, and then our company logo, which is a layer. Let's use the Ctrl plus left button to select our butterfly, so that we can select the butterfly, and the part framed by the dotted line is the butterfly. We are here in the channel, and here we choose to create a new spot color channel. Let's create a spot color channel for white, so that we can save. And now we are in the RIP software, and we will make a rib diagram of the butterfly that we just saved with the established white channel. After editing, we open it from the printing software. This is the butterfly we just made. We set the transverse coordinates and longitudinal coordinates, and then select the printing mode. We can use the standard, set the thickness of our material. Then select double-click, select print here, and then select our print mode. Select it as a rehearsal, and then we pay attention to change the thickness of the white ink here. The thickness of the white ink. We play the relief effect is best to more than 6 times, 6 times to 8 times. On our side, change it to 6x, and then you can start printing.